Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil. We created an exoskeleton.
Nearly all Cybertrucks built between November 2023 and February 2025 are recalled by Tesla because of a defective external trim piece that poses a safety risk by detaching while driving. An adhesive failure brought on by environmental embrittlement affects the contrail assembly, a stainless steel strip that runs over the windscreen and roof. Tesla will replace the faulty panels free of charge and has advised owners to expect repair appointments soon. Number 7. Production halt. Tesla has put a complete and historic stop to Cybertruck manufacturing, mostly at its Gigafactory Texas in Austin, which is where this premium electric pickup is mostly assembled. According to employee testimonies and internal communications, some employees were told to take paid time off during this hiatus, and shifts were either canceled or replaced with retraining sessions. Tesla's decision reflects the pressing necessity to comply with increasing regulatory scrutiny and stop the construction of more faulty units. A major setback in the Cybertruck's deployment and a blow to Tesla's hopes for the model, it also fits with the company's strategic realignment in the face of growing inventory and sluggish demand. Number 6. Massive recall. All Cybertrucks delivered to consumers, roughly 3,878 units, as well as an additional 46,000 vehicles made between November 2023 and February 2025, are subject to a broad recall announced by Tesla. Numerous owner complaints and regulatory pressure following reports of external panels, detaching and accelerator pedals, sticking to issues that pose serious threats to public and driver safety, led to the recall. The difficulties Tesla has upholding quality requirements for a highly inventive vehicle with unorthodox design and production methods are highlighted by this extensive recall. Number 5. Primary safety issue: stuck accelerator pedal. The most concerning flaw that led to the recall and manufacturing stoppage is the accelerator pedal on the Cybertruck, which has been known to become caught in the depressed position and accelerate unintentionally. Tesla identified a late-stage material substitution in the pedal assembly as the cause of this issue, which was done to cut production costs and weight. However, under tremendous pressure from Elon Musk's strict production timelines, this material alteration avoided thorough safety testing. The risks associated with hasty engineering decisions and insufficient validation in vehicle safety critical components are brought to light by this problem. Number 4. Cosmetic and structural defects. Apart from the issue with the accelerator pedal, Tesla has encountered major difficulties with the external stainless steel trim panels of the Cybertruck. Owners and delivery experts have reported that panels have come loose or fallen off when driving normally, particularly in colder climates where temperature changes erode the adhesive's strength. Production and delivery timetables are made more difficult by Tesla's response, which involves stopping deliveries and issuing recalls to fix impacted vehicles with mechanical fasteners. Additionally, the glue failure has damaged Tesla's reputation by casting doubt on the car's durability and construction. A containment hold was placed on deliveries to reduce risk after owner report. Number 3. Production and staffing cuts. Tesla has drastically cut Cybertruck production targets and assembly line manpower in response to these quality and safety concerns. Employee testimony and several insider reports claim that several Cybertruck production teams at the Texas Gigafactory have been reduced by more than half, with many employees being transferred to the more productive Model Y production lines. According to employee testimonies, parking spaces are getting noticeably empty and timetables are becoming more erratic as Cybertruck line workers gradually leave. As unsold Cybertruck inventories accumulated and sales fell from almost 13,000 units sold in Q4 2024 to just over 6,400 in Q1 2025, this transition started in late 2024 and grew more intense in early 2025. A strategy shift to maximize resources in the face of sluggish demand and growing operational issues is reflected in Tesla's decision to reduce output and reallocate labor. The Cybertruck staff has apparently been further reduced. As a result of performance reviews and questions, the business asked employees about their preferred roles, which resulted in some layoffs. Number 2. Rushed design and testing. Hasty design choices and shortened testing schedules are the cause of the accelerator pedal flaw and adhesive failures. According to reports, Tesla omitted extensive safety validation in order to fulfill Elon Musk's strict production deadlines, but instead made a last-minute material change to the accelerator pedal assembly to save weight and cut costs. This hurry made it possible for a serious safety problem to reach clients and jeopardized quality assurance. In a similar vein, the external panel adhesive was not adequately tested in real-world environmental settings, including extremes of temperature. These hasty engineering decisions highlight the dangers of putting haste and cost-cutting ahead of careful testing, particularly for a new vehicle with unusual materials and design like the Cybertruck. Systemic problems with Tesla's quick development approach have been brought to light by the costly safety, reputational, and production disruption implications. Number 1. Impact on future plans. Tesla's ambitious ambitions for the Cybertruck have been badly affected by the recall and manufacturing suspension. It is currently impossible to meet the initial goals of producing 250,000 units a year by 2025, with the possibility of growing to 500,000. In order to concentrate on repairing current vehicles and stabilizing production, Tesla has put plans to introduce a high-performance Cybertruck Sport model on hold indefinitely. Rivian, Ford, and other electric pickup manufacturers have been able to increase their market share in the quickly expanding industry as a result of the bad press and safety issues that have undermined consumer faith. The current fleet needs to be repaired, the company's reputation needs to be restored, and the financial and operational ramifications of this problem must be managed. In addition to complicating the company's larger expansion goals and casting doubt on its ability to fulfill its promises for future products, this circumstance has caused a sharp decline in Tesla's stock price and eroded investor confidence. These issues show hurried production, safety lapses, and the ensuing operational and reputational harm, illustrating a major setback for Tesla's flagship electric vehicle. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.